To me, a smart building is one that kind of analyzes itself and can point out things to you that maybe you can be doing to use it better.
Coming into this building, I love it. It's almost like, I would say like winning the Super Bowl, maybe going to Disneyland.
This is 6 floors of people in this building, and we make a difference in their life every day.
My name is Karen Bassett, and I'm with the Department of Environmental Quality here in Arkansas. Well, the green building started all the way from the project design. One of the goals of the project was to get LEED certified, and we wanted to get as certified as we could all the way up to platinum. So once we were in the building for about a year and we started to see what our electric and our utility costs were going to be, we started asking the question, is the building functioning the way that we thought it would from a green perspective, from an energy use perspective? And we started looking at some of the energy use issues, and we said, you know, we're not sure that it is.
So what we're seeing with the movement of LEED buildings and the green movement, they want to be more sustainable. They want to be more efficient. And we are giving them the tools to do that. And those tools, through the Siemens ADEQ system, we can pull out all the data that the building's using and then analyze that and then optimize that building for the particular use that customer has.
Now that we're living in the building, we can go back and say, okay, that decision can really be tweaked. We don't occupy that space like we thought we would, or now we know how we really occupy that space, and we don't need that lit 24 hours a day. We don't need that air exchange 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
And so we were able to adjust the building to what the occupants really use it for, how they use it, when they use it. And doing that, we were able to minimize their energy to do that through several strategies of energy efficiency.
We've saved, we think, about $90,000 a year, which is an amazing amount of money to be able to knock off just on your utility costs for a building. We are the Department of Environmental Quality. We care about the energy uses of the buildings. Every time you flip the switch, there is a power plant at the back end of that switch that generates some type of emission.
This is a premier building in the state system. One of the first LEED rated buildings, one of the first Energy Star rated buildings, and one of the most efficient buildings they have in all state government in Arkansas.
It's exciting that we can generate that kind of savings in the department, number one, and it's exciting that we can turn that back into even more energy reduction projects.